Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight we had a bounce in soybean prices. They're up about 11 to 12 cents. Some people link that to, in part, to some commercial pricing underneath the market. Also might have been a little bit of buying because USDA did not raise weekly U.S. soybean crop ratings as expected. We're also seeing a little bit of firmer basis domestically. We're starting to see Chinese boats arrive at the Gulf to load, and crushers are trying to buy beans, and so it seems like with the harvest not quite getting underway yet, there is a need to buy some beans, and that might have offered some support to the market. Yesterday we saw a little bit of buying in corn and wheat. Some of that was linked to maybe the fact that farmers may store corn instead of selling it at harvest, and also the wheat market might be getting a little oversold, and some seasonal bounces are expected. Overnight, USDA estimated that about 7% of the corn is harvested. Ratings actually did improve, especially in the eastern Midwest, and that lends some support that they may raise the crop size, at least the yield, on their October 11th report. In soybeans, ratings didn't improve. We saw a little bit of drop in the west and in the south, and that kind of offset some increases in the east. Seems like farmers, though, may be willing sellers once the harvest gets going of beans and store the corn. Down in South America, it looks like weather is improving, especially in Brazil for planting, but there is some backlog of soybean meal exports out of Brazil, which is firming meal prices, and we'll have to watch and see if that shifts any demand maybe to the United States. One of the issues of lower bean prices in 2014 was expectations of a big South American crop cutting into U.S., especially meal export demand. U.S. weather looks favorable for the next few days. There could be some showers over the weekend that could slow harvest in the west, but the long-term outlook looks favorable for harvest. Outside markets starting to look a little bit at expectations. At the end of the month, the U.S. may shut down its government because of lack of funding, so we'll have to see how all that unfolds. But in general, we're seeing some continued profit taken from the Bernanke rally, whether it's in crude, metals, or the stock market. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.